In this lesson, we will learn about atoms and how it is structured. This video will go fast, so please pause this video as necessary and write down notes and check your understanding. For more info, read online textbook pages 312 to 323. Pause this video and copy down the definitions for each vocabulary word. Here's an example of a helium atom. How do I know that this is a helium atom? Because I count that there are 2 protons. 1, 2. And from the vocabulary word earlier, we learned that protons are positively charged subatomic particles found in the nucleus of an atom. So please label this part, nucleus, in your homework sheet. We also wrote that this is what determines, the protons, is what determines which element an atom is. According to the periodic table, all helium atoms have 2 protons. And this is how I know that this is a helium atom. Remember from our story how Patty and Nelda were inside of an arcade? So this nucleus will be the arcade, and we have Patty the proton and Nelda the neutron side by side inside of a nucleus. Now electrons are kind of like Elliot from the Addams Family. It's located outside of the nucleus, and it keeps spinning around. And you might wonder to yourself, what is keeping the electron from flying outward? The force that keeps the electrons orbiting around the nucleus is much like the force that keeps the planets going around the sun. This force is called the gravitational force. By the way, I have a joke for you. So a neutron walks into a bar and he asks, "How much for a root beer?" And the bartender says, "For you, no charge." Get it? Thanks, Emma, for this joke. This is an oxygen atom. Pause this video and count how many protons and neutrons are there. Neutrons are the yellow ones and protons are the orange ones. There are 8 protons and 8 neutrons, and there are 8 electrons. According to our definition, atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So in this case, the atomic number for oxygen atom is 8. And according to our definition, atomic mass is how much proton and neutron there is. So 8 plus 8 would equal to 16. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. This is the unit for atomic mass. If I went too fast on the last part, then please pause and take notes. Again, atomic number is equal to the amount of protons an atom has. Atomic mass is the protons plus neutrons in an atom. Let's do some quick checks. Pause this video and answer these questions on your own. Now it says an atom has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons, and is asking for, in question number 1, what is atomic number? Remember that atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So in this case, atomic number would be 6. And it says, what is atomic mass? We know that mass is equal to number of neutrons plus protons. So in this case, 6 plus 6. So it's equal to 12. Don't forget your unit, AMU, atomic mass unit. Quick check number 2. How many protons does an atom with an atomic number 20 and a mass of 43 have? This is a trick question because all we care really about is the atomic number. Because remember, going back from question 1, that atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So in this case, the proton is 20. Rewatch this video if you need to. Make sure you have a good grasp on the concept. Move on to part 2 when you're ready.